Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. This is Hannah and her Habitat. Today I'm going to show you my least favorite camper duty, and that is plumbing. So I will show you everything that is involved in emptying the tanks. Come along. First things first, we need to check the levels of the tanks. So my black tank is actually pretty good, but my gray tank is full. But I am moving my camper tomorrow, so I'm going to empty them both. I have two tanks, my black tank and my gray tank. The toilet drains into the black tank. This lever needs some WD-40, so for now I have to use all my body weight. I have the Rhino clear piece attached so you can see when the liquid coming out of it turns from brown to clear. I apologize if that's more than you wanted to know. This piece is called the Rhino Blaster, so you can attach a hose to it and then the hose shoots water up into the tank kind of forcefully to make sure it gets everything out. You turn it on and again make sure that the water is running clear. The next thing I'm gonna do is the black tank flush. It just connects the hose from a different angle to make sure that the tank is flushed. So you just connect the hose and then turn the water back on again. Let it run for a little while your tank is closed so that it can fill up inside with water, and then open the tank again. Then close the tank again and put some more water in it because you always want a layer of water at the bottom of your tank. Now we move on to the gray tank. The kitchen sink and the shower empty into the gray tank. I don't have a hose that is long enough to reach where this sewer pipe is. So I'm making sure that the black hose, the black tank hose, is empty, because then I'm going to connect it to the gray tank hose so that I can reach the sewage dump. I forgot for a minute how I previously made this work, so it took me a second to think about it. There is no clear piece on the gray tank because it's all water coming out of there all the time, so you don't need to be able to see it. Thanks for watching another episode of Hannah and Her Habitat, and I will see you next time.